Firstly, launch the Safari on iPhone, and you're just going to go to this website here, usescarlet.com. Scroll down on this website and you'll get this install option here. Sometimes it might show that it's revoked, but also it will work if you are installing Scarlet for the first time on your iPhone. So tap on install anyway. This site might load a few ads if you don't have the ad blocker on iPhone. So if you get distracted by ads, you're gonna go back to that page once again and tap on install button. Once you come to this page, it will give you several options. Tap on direct install and wait for 10 seconds. It will ask you open this page in iTunes. Tap on open and tap on install. And we're gonna go back to home screen to see the progress. Unfortunately for me, it's included in the recent apps section. Let's go to check recent apps. And it's here inside the recently added section, Scarlet. Let's bring this to home screen, add to home screen, and it's here. If you tap to open, it will not open. It shows here untrusted enterprise developer. You're gonna have to go to settings and trust this app to verify. Go to settings of iPhone and you're gonna scroll down, reach to general. Scroll down on the general settings, tap on VPN and device management. And we have one enterprise app here. Trust this company, SDFC Bank Limited. Tap on trust. Once it's trusted, we can go back to home screen and let's launch Scarlet. And now you can use Scarlet here to sideload the applications by tapping on this sideload option in the top right side and then pick any options that you like.